Hello everyone, welcome to Basics of Crochet Lesson 1. Today we will learn how to do one single crochet stitch and slip knot and foundation chain. So let's start the video. So I'm using cotton yarn and crochet hook is 4.0 mm. So let's start it. So we will start by making a slip knot. Hold the tail with your thumb and index finger like this. And then with your pinky hold the yarn like this to make a kind of circle. Then insert your right thumb and make a cross like this. Now pull a loop like this. So this is a slip knot. Let's make it once again. First hold the tail like this. Then with your pinky hold the yarn, make a cross, then pull a loop like this. So this is the slip knot and I hope you are making the slip knot with me. Now insert your hook into this loop and pull this long tail. So now we will start working on our slip knot. So first with this left hand we will pull over yarn twice to create a perfect tension. Now yarn over your hook like this. You already have one loop on your hook. Pull hook through this one loop. So this V is our first chain. Now again yarn over your hook, pull through this loop. So we are making foundation chain like this. We will make 15 chains. Yarn over your hook, pull through this loop. Yarn over your hook, pull through this loop. So like this we will complete our 15 chains. And this 15 chain will be called foundation chain. So let's make like this. And after 15 chain, now we will learn how to do single crochet. So we will skip this first V, 1 and 2. First 2 V's we will skip, and into third V right here you can see this gap. Right here we will insert our hook. So hold the loop on your hook like this. Now insert your hook into third chain and then pull a loop like this. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through these 2 loops. So this is our single crochet stitch. Now once again into our next chain we will work one single crochet. Insert your hook into the chain, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. So this is our second single crochet stitch. Now let's do our next single crochet. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. So like this we will complete our row till the end, and our single crochet row is complete right here till the end. For the next row we will do chain 1, and now turn your work and you can see these gaps right here. We will work into these gaps. So because we did chain 1, so this chain 1 will count as our first single crochet. Into our second gap we will insert our hook like this. Now work single crochet stitch. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And for the next again where we can see the next gap, insert your hook, pull up a loop, you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. So like this we will complete our second row. Let's finish. So our second row is almost complete, but for the last stitch you can see here we have a tiny gap right here. We will insert our hook for the last stitch. Make sure you are not missing the last stitch. Then work one single crochet. Then again chain 1 and turn your work. So our row 2 with 15 single crochet is complete. And yes, again we will skip our first stitch, and into second opening we will work single crochet stitch. So like this complete the row. So our 14 single crochet of row 3 is complete. And for the last single crochet, insert your hook into this V like this, then work our last single crochet. Then again chain 1 on your work and complete till row 6, and our single crochet stitch is complete. Now you know how to do single crochet stitch. You can increase the rows according to your project. And yeah, this was all about our first episode of basics of crochet, and in the next episode we will learn how to do double crochet stitch. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that you won't miss the second episode. Till then, see you, bye bye, take care and happy crocheting.